Hello guys, good morning. Good morning, it's me again, Ryan. Yes, today was a pretty good day. Really good day for HP. So I traded HP for a long, risking somewhere at probably 50 cents. So somewhere at 67 area, around this area, 67, maybe max at 50. But yeah, so I traded 1 minute orb for HP. Yeah, it was great. I did not expect it to move this much. So it moved about $2.77 during this day. ATR is about $1.52. So I took a long there. I can't find an area to add. That's why I'm almost out of shares here. So I added more in here. Took profit, added, took profit, and then stopped out at almost at break even. I think this was a trading stop. Please have to leave. But yeah, let's watch. It did. My level was just 40.50. That was my only level actually, but it was strong. It didn't even pull back in the first 15 minutes. As you can see, no pullback at all. I was actually going to add somewhere at 65 or 80 maybe, but yeah, it was strong. And look at that, it was just now trading in range. Actually, this is probably a good area for you to look at, probably for a bounce if it holds 25 or 20. But yeah, let's see. But before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on my social media accounts. Yeah, so let's watch. So today I don't have any other. When I look at the watch list, it wasn't really that great. And then I said, oh, but I saw HPQ is really good because it has volume. That was the only one. As you can see here on my charts, I only have HPQ. Even on my main chart, I have HPQ because nothing really to trade today. So yeah, let's see what happens. Fast forward this. One sec. There you go. Market is about to open. So I was waiting and waiting patiently. As you can see in the first minute, no volume at all. So we're at 30 now. So it opened in 39.03. So that's the opening price here. The range is about 90 cents. So I could probably risk either $1 or 50 cents, or this one, or maybe 70 cents. So I was closely watching 39 and 67 here. So I have an area here. Thicker lines means it's a good area for me to play around, and this thicker area here as well. So since it's a gap up, I was looking for a first day gap up. I'm looking for a long continuation above VWAP, above opening price if possible. And yeah, let's see. So 1 minute's done. So the first minute's here. It looked like it's a short, right? Because it's below VWAP, below opening price. But the thing is, there's no volume here. As you can see, there's only 400,000 volume. So I was waiting for that volume, and the volume kicked in, 1.4 million. So that's the one. So I entered when I saw that it kicked in, risking 50 cents for this one. I'll probably risk the low of day. Let's see. Still waiting. Took profit there, just 10%. Took another profit in there, 10%. Let's see if it holds. I'm gonna take more, probably at 40. So that's where almost the 2-to-1 move. Let's see. I can probably take off somewhere at 39.50 if it, but it was strong. So I took more in there, 25%. Probably take aggressive partial somewhere if it pops more. Yeah, so I'm taking more in there. So it's a good move. So this is where probably have enough shares for me to add back, so it doesn't affect my average cost. So I was actually looking at an area to add, but it looks like it's still strong. So I was being careful of adding because it can just drop, right? So next level is 40.50. So now just taking profit every time it pops. Really can find an area to add. So that was a 1 minute orb trade, risking low of this or max 50. I was waiting for 65 area for me to add. Actually, I should have added here, but I was like Probably gonna go at 70. So really just easy trade. Really easy trade for me today. See, I didn't even take profit in there because I said I don't have enough shares anyways. I need to add, but I still have shares left. Probably 25% shares left. Yeah, so it took more. Not enough shares. I wish I held more, but who knows, it's gonna go that fast, right? Normally it goes up and then pulls back and then stop me out. But let's see. Let's wait for a good area to add. So that's a 3-1 move now. It's crazy. It doesn't even pull back. It's really strong. Trust me, this doesn't happen every day. Most of the time it pulls back and even stop me out. So yeah, there you go, added. So new average is now at 40.12. Previously I was here. Just taking profit. So this is pre-market highs, 40.85. Yeah, look at that. All green candles on 5-minute. No red candles at all. It's squeezing. That's crazy. So this is the first minute. So this is added. So new average is now at 40.39. I added more because I didn't have enough shares. So I added more because I've taken most of it here. There you go. Took more. I remember what happened next. Yeah, it's just taking profit in there. And around this time, I have to leave my desk. I think this was not my last partial. I think I remember I have like one more pop for a partial. And added it for a trailing stop. Yeah, so nothing fancy, just a good strong stock today. HPQ, first day, and it's now up 17%. I think the reason why it's up because Warren Buffett bought 10% of the company. So there you go. Yeah, so that's my kind of like last partial, and I'm just gonna leave it because I had to leave my desk. So what's the market cap? It's 37 billion. 10% is about 3.7 billion. So that's what Warren Buffett bought. Wondering what's HP is a nice company. It's a really good company. Still cheap, $40. So there you go. I left my desk around this time. Man, it was only $15 a few years ago. Crazy. Yeah. I can fast forward this now. And I stopped out. My trailing stopped out. So at this point, I left my desk. Let's see what happened in stock. So it's really holding that 40-50 here. You can actually play around with 40-50 or 40-40, risking maybe VWAP, 40-20, 40-10. So you can maybe, but risk wise, it's not that good. If you're risking 50 cents, you can risk this area here, but you probably will get stopped. Yeah, see, it's back. think my recording will be ending soon at some point. Yeah, so nothing really fancy. That's about it. Yeah. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And yeah, and I'll get back to you when I have time. Oh yeah, I have a really funny and bad news. Someone copied all my Instagram posts and created his own account, and it's probably gonna scam people. So be careful out there. If someone's messaging you asking for money or Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or whatever, don't get fooled. I know you're smart enough not to fall into those scammers. So if you can, maybe report the account. It's called Inefficient Market, but the I is, he's using L, small letter L instead of I. So L Efficient Market. So that's weird. But yeah, just be careful out there, and yeah, don't get scammed. Might put watermark on my videos, maybe. I don't know how to do that yet, but yeah, we'll see. All right, guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.